Hi, this is Dan Valentine from OS Financials and welcome to this easy tutorial video. Today we're going to install TeamViewer step by step. First, we'll go to the link provided with this video. The link will be along the sites of https://www.teamviewer.com. Once there, we will scroll down until we see something called TeamViewer Quick Support, and then we will click on the download button. Once it's downloaded, we will head over to the File Explorer to open the executable. This will most commonly be in your Downloads folder. Now let's right-click the executable and click on Open. This will prompt us with a message asking us if this app can make changes to our PC. We will hit the Yes button and you will see the main screen. You will see two things on this main screen, your session ID and your session password. Now we will copy our session ID and send it back towards us. And then we will grab our password and also send it back towards us. Now we can help you from a distance. This was Dan Valentine from OS Financials, and we will see you soon.